Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn about the K Sized Subarray Maximum, right? This is the POTD of GFG. So in that problem, the problem says that given an array of positive integers and an integer k, you have to find the maximum value for each contiguous subarray of size k. Return the array of maximum value corresponding to each contiguous subarray, right? So this problem is the very that means if you can solve the problem as a brute force, so you can solve the very easy type. Like you just have to run the loop for the k times, and then we just have to find the maximum, right? So I will explain you like k is equal to 3, right? So we just have to take the 3 element, and in that which is the maximum, so 3 is the maximum, so the our output is 3. Now from here find which one is the maximum. 3 is the maximum, so there is a 3 answer. Now again, which one is the maximum? 4, there is a 4 answer. Which one is the maximum? 5, so there is a 5 answer. Now which one is the uh, greater element? 5, so there is the 5 answer. And then in that 5 and in that 6, so the 6 is our answer, right? Now you have to understand the problem. But the problem says that, like, so if I will solve the problem in a brute force, so it will take a lot of time. So directly I will jump on the optimal, right? So the optimal we can solve like a using the deque, right? Use deque. Why? Because it is that means from the both end, that means the back and the front, we can remove the element. So for that way we can use the deque, right? Which means the front of the deque always holds the indices of the maximum element, right? Now we just have to, that means, see the rule how to solve this. So the remove out of windows element, right? Remove out of windows element like this type, uh, like, which means if this one and uh, I minus k plus 1, this is the out of one, so we just have to remove from the front. So remove a smaller element from the back. Now we have to remove the smaller element from the back. So deque, right, dot dot back, and area I, right? Now push current index, push current index, right? Now push the current index, right? And the store answer, and then answer, right? So in that I just solve the problem. I just show you how to solve the problem, right? This is not the very tough problem. If you can solve in the brute force, then it is easy to solve. Now I will solve the problem is using the deque. So deque int dp, deque, right? And one is vector int result, right? Now uh, for int I is equal to 0, not of 0, then is equal to array dot size and I plus plus, right? Now I just go on the remove element out of current window, right? In that, if deque dot empty and deque dot front is equal to I minus k, right? In that deque dot pop front, right? Now I just have to go on the second approach. What is the remove all smaller element from the back, right? And in that, while deque dot empty and an array of deque dot back, right? Then array dot I, right? Now deque dot pop back and at the end insert current index deque dot pushback of I and store result once window size is reached. If I greater than is equal to k minus 1, then result dot pushback, oh sorry, result dot pushback of array of deque dot front, right? Yeah. Now return result. Now see it will run or not. Yeah, it will run and pass the test cases all, or I have to improve a little bit more. Yeah, it will pass the all test cases. Yeah, so thank you for this saying for the last. Okay, and thank you so much. Please subscribe and like my channel.